Hello, thank you for stopping by. I'm Jeff Kaiser and I'm the Cooper here at the historic Dill's Tavern in Dillsburg, Pennsylvania, where I practice cooperage, the noble trade that produces everything from buckets to barrels using wooden staves bound by wooden or metal hoops. When I was asked to become the Cooper here, I started researching the trade and found there's very little documentation about traditional cooperage. This vacuum of knowledge can be traced back to the trade guilds of England, the European continent, and the American colonies. To protect the trade from outsiders, nothing was documented. Knowledge was simply passed down from master to apprentice by word of mouth. What little documentation we have today speaks to the what of cooperage, but not the how of cooperage. This channel is but one way I'm attempting to remedy this situation. On this channel, I'm going to share with you the tools and techniques coopers have used for the last 4,000 years to create wooden staved vessels for the storage and transport of both wet and dry goods. Even if you don't intend to make any of these containers, I hope you'll find the information I share here interesting and educational, and if nothing else, it should help you appreciate the skill and level of effort that goes into traditionally made coopered vessels. Please subscribe and don't forget to click that notification button so you'll be alerted whenever I release new videos. Lastly, please spread the word by sharing this channel and videos with anyone who might be interested. Thanks.